They got your boy working on Thanksgiving, man. We finna get to it. This is my first and maybe my only job this holiday, and I'm finna knock this thing out. We started from scratch. I ain't got no app built up. I just pulled up to this customer's. I'm hoping that my camera angle is good. We finna get to this thing. Thanksgiving Day, first job. We're gonna show y'all how we do it. I'm not putting on a spare today. I'm actually gonna change a tire on a young lady's car. I'm gonna show you how my workflow is. I got no air built up, so I'm gonna have to crank up the air compressor. She is getting this 205, 55, 16. Let's get to it. Hopefully this compressor ain't too loud because I got this camera on another angle from the other video, so I don't know if it's gonna pick it up too loud. Let's see. But let's show you how a professional do this thing in 3, 2, 1. We starting from scratch. Let's go. It would be a lot better if my jack handle ain't come off, but things happen and they usually happen at the worst time, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We still finna get this thing. Gonna knock this thing out. I don't know how this angle looks or whatever. So if it don't look good, it's just gonna be test footage. Just a rough draft. It's not gonna see the public. Gonna knock this out, man. First job again, so you know I'm about to oil up my gun. Always use your air tool oil on your first job, man. First job of the day, or at the beginning of your day. I don't know if y'all can hear my earbuds. I got some music playing in my ear while this is going. I hope it ain't catching it, because if it is, Google probably gonna strike me. I'm listening to a whole album out here. And this ain't me trying to move fast. It's just a regular workflow or whatever. I ain't trying to show off for the camera. But if I need to, I'm gonna go on in. I'm gonna tell you why I didn't take them first two off. I was hesitant because a lot of kids, the lug nuts are getting stuck inside of the socket, and you would have to take them off anyway or try to beat them out. But it's all good. So let's knock this out, bro. I'm gonna cut this out because that's kind of loud. And if you know anything about them compressors, if you let them build up, you can do a whole car with the built up air. So let's get going. Yeah, I'm old school. We're gonna do bars and a hammer. Wind blowing too. I don't know if it's catching that. Check me out. Got my lucky or handy dandy soap water. I'm a little rusty, but we're gonna get to it. And as you can see, I ain't hit that wheel not one time. I'm hoping this is catching everything. Ooh, her tire was bad, but right now, I hope y'all see that. She drove on it a little bit too while it was flat, but I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm gonna wipe this wheel off, make sure ain't nothing in there between the tire and the wheel. Cause when I air it up, we don't want it going back flat for no reason. Or any reasons that we could have prevented. Also, I'm gonna dump that off of there. I'm gonna back out real quick. I kind of figured that would happen, so y'all give me 1 second. I'm probably gonna edit it part down. All right, let's do this again. I'm gonna soap up this tire real quick, put it on. Had to pause that thing, dude wanted to pull out while I was parked in front of him, so I had to back up a little bit. And I might keep that in anyway, so even though it was a little crazy transaction or interaction. Another thing, I'm gonna give y'all a quick tip. You dealing with these little car tires, always read it. You see what that say right there? Outside. The other side on it gonna say inside. So this part needs to be on the back side when you put it on. And the outside need to be facing out when you put it on. Just a little tip. Not all car tires are like that, but some brands do it for a lot of their sizes. And it especially will be on there for like a lot of low profile tires. Tires that go on like custom wheels or aftermarket wheels or whatever. We're gonna put this thing on. We're gonna ride, dog. I done been here too long already. You know what? Make sure that red dot lined up with the valve stem. Wipe some of that lube off of there. Time to go back on. I really hope my angle is right. This is only my second job using this, and I actually tried something different. The first job I did the chest pendant with the magnet. This one I did the hat clip. So it's up a little higher. I got it angled down a little bit or whatever, so we're gonna see. It's a little cold out here today too, boy. Again, hopefully y'all can't hear that music. I know sometimes the earbuds be kind of loud. So like nearby microphones will pick them up, but just in case you can hear it, it's that game, Born to Rap. Let me shoot some out of this tire. We're gonna get out of here. This my favorite part right here, and that joker up. Whether I'm hitting it with the cheetah tank or just sealing by itself, you're gonna hear it pop maybe twice. That's just the tire sealing up right there, and it's gonna do it on the back side as well. We got one more right here. I tried my best to wipe that lube off so it don't fly on me once it pop, but here it comes. Whoosh. Long as it don't get in my eyes, I'm good. Pause if necessary, cause that did sound crazy. God, boy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but 35 on the head. We good, let's go. I'm gonna go in there, let my jack down. Put my tools up, call the customer, let them know we done, and go home. Put them collard greens on the stove, man. Enjoy Thanksgiving. I'm out of here.